Democracy. Detailed notes. Introduction. Democracy is one of the most widely accepted systems of government in the modern world. It is based on the principle that the ultimate political authority belongs to the people. In a democratic state, citizens have the right to choose their representatives through free and fair elections, participate in decision-making, and enjoy fundamental rights and freedoms. Democracy promotes equality, justice, accountability, and the rule of law. Countries such as the United States, the United Kingdom, India, Germany, Canada, and Pakistan have democratic systems, although their structures differ. Meaning of democracy. The word democracy is derived from two Greek words. Demos is equal to people. Kratos is equal to rule or power. Therefore, democracy literally means rule by the people. It is a form of government in which the people directly or indirectly govern the state through elected representatives. Definitions of democracy. 1. Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the government of the people, by the people, for the people. 2. A. V. Dicey. Democracy is a form of government in which the governing body is a comparatively large fraction of the entire nation. 3. Joseph Schumpeter. Democracy is an institutional arrangement for arriving at political decisions in which individuals acquire the power to decide through a competitive struggle for the people's vote. 4. Lord Bryce. Democracy is the rule of the whole people expressing their sovereign will. Historical background of democracy. Democracy originated in ancient Athens, Greece, around the 5th century BCE. Early democracy was direct democracy, where citizens voted on laws themselves. Modern democracy developed after the American Revolution, 1776, and the French Revolution, 1789. Today, democracy is practiced in different forms across the world. Features, characteristics of democracy. 1. Popular sovereignty. 2. Free and fair elections. 3. Rule of law. 4. Equality before the law. 5. Protection of fundamental rights. 6. Independent judiciary. 7. Political accountability. 8. Multi-party system. 9. Freedom of speech and expression. 10. Majority rule with protection of minority rights. 11. Transparency in governance. 12. Peaceful transfer of power. Types of democracy. 1. Direct democracy. People directly participate in making laws and government decisions. Examples: Ancient Athens. Some Swiss cantons. Advantages: maximum public participation. Greater accountability. Reflects people's wishes. Disadvantages: difficult in large countries. Time-consuming. Expensive. 2. Indirect, representative democracy. People elect representatives who govern on their behalf. Examples: Pakistan, India, United Kingdom, Canada. Advantages: practical for large populations. Efficient administration. Professional decision-making. Disadvantages: representatives may ignore public interests. Corruption and political manipulation. 3. Parliamentary democracy. The executive is formed from the legislature and is accountable to Parliament. Examples: Pakistan, United Kingdom, India, Japan. 4. Presidential democracy. The president is both head of state and head of government. Examples: United States, Brazil. 5. Liberal democracy focuses on individual liberty, human rights, rule of law, independent judiciary. Examples: Canada, Germany, Australia. 6. Constitutional democracy. Government functions according to a written or unwritten constitution that limits governmental powers. Examples: Pakistan, United States. Principles of democracy: popular sovereignty, equality, liberty, justice, accountability, political participation, rule of law, human rights, separation of powers, transparency. Pillars of democracy. 1. Legislature. 2. Executive. 3. Judiciary. 4. Free media. 5. Civil society. 6. Independent Election Commission. Importance of democracy. Protects individual rights. Encourages political participation. Promotes equality. Prevents dictatorship. Ensures accountability. Strengthens national unity. Encourages peaceful change of government. Supports economic development. Promotes social justice. Role of democracy. Political role. Protects political freedoms. Ensures peaceful elections. Provides political stability. Encourages citizen participation. Social role. Promotes equality. Protects minorities. Encourages tolerance. Strengthens social harmony. Economic role. Encourages investment. Promotes economic freedom. Reduces corruption through accountability. Improves public welfare. Educational role. Creates political awareness. Encourages informed citizens. Promotes civic responsibility. International role. Promotes peace. Strengthens diplomatic relations. Encourages international cooperation. Supports global human rights. Advantages of democracy. Government by consent. Protection of human rights. Accountability. Political stability. Freedom of expression. Peaceful transfer of power. Independent judiciary. Public participation. Equal opportunities. Transparency. Disadvantages of democracy. Slow decision-making. Expensive elections. Political instability. Corruption. Populism. Influence of money in politics. Lack of informed voters. Coalition governments may be weak. Challenges to democracy. Corruption. Political polarization. Electoral fraud. Weak institutions. Illiteracy. Poverty. Media manipulation. Extremism. Military interference. Abuse of power. Democracy in Pakistan. Pakistan follows a parliamentary democratic system under the Constitution of 1973. Key features. Federal Parliamentary Republic. Prime Minister is head of government. President is head of state. Bicameral Parliament, National Assembly and Senate. Independent judiciary. Election Commission of Pakistan conducts elections. Fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. Examples of democratic countries: United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Australia, India, Japan, Pakistan, New Zealand, Norway. Famous quotes: Government of the people, by the people, for the people. Abraham Lincoln. The ballot is stronger than the bullet. Abraham Lincoln. Democracy is the worst form of government except for all the others. Winston Churchill. Conclusion. Democracy is the foundation of a free, just, and progressive society. It ensures that governments remain accountable to the people, protects fundamental rights, and encourages active citizen participation in national development. Although democracy faces challenges such as corruption, political instability, and misinformation, it remains the most effective system for promoting liberty, equality, justice, and sustainable development. A strong democracy depends not only on good institutions, but also on responsible leaders and informed, active citizens.